Third question is describe the distinctive features of each physical region of Pakistan. इसका आंसर आपको मैं यहाँ से डिक्टेट करवाऊंगी. Pakistan is home to variety of high mountains ranges on its north and western side. The highest mountains of the world known as the Himalayas, comprising of a series of ranges, is situated in the northeast of our country. The Himalayas stretches like a bow in the north of Indo-Pak subcontinent, having a length of about 1500 miles. Between these ranges lie some beautiful valleys. The slope of these goes decreasing from the north to south. There are many notable peaks of Himalayas in Pakistan, but Nanga Parbat is the most important one, being the 9th highest in the world and 2nd highest in the country, having a height of 8126 meter. The Karakoram is situated in the north of Himalayas, in which northern Kashmir and the regions of Gilgit are situated. The average height of this range is 7000 meters. In highest top is K2, which is 8611 meters high. K2 is the second highest peak in the world. पहले आपने माउंटेन्स का लिखा है, ठीक है. अब आप द प्लेट्यू के बारे में लिखोगे. इन पाकिस्तान देयर आर 2 प्लेटूज. एक पुथार प्लेटू है, सेकंड बलोचिस्तान है. पुथार प्लेटू हैज़ एन uneven surface. The height of this plateau area varies from 350 to 600 meters above sea level. Balochistan Plateau is about 300 meters high. A large area in the northwest is desert. The mountains in the northeast are higher than those in the south and contain valuable deposit of coal, iron, chromite and other minerals. Third one is plains. River Indus is the largest river of our country. This river enters in Pakistan's territory near Gilgit. In the upper region, a number of streams join in it, but at the latter stage, some of its western and eastern join in it, but at the latter stage, some of its western and eastern tributaries make it more huge and vast in volume and speed. Its eastern tributaries are Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Chenab and Jhelum, while its western tributaries include rivers Swat, Kunar, Panchkora, Kabul, Khurram, Tochi, Gomal, Bolan, etc. Coastal areas. Places near the sea coast are called coastal area. The waves of the sea change the feature of the coast over a period of years. Sometimes they build new land, sometimes they wear away areas through erosion. Next is deserts. The following are the main deserts areas found in our Punjab and Sindh provinces: Thal Desert, Cholistan Desert, Nara and Tharparkar Desert. Thal Desert. The Thal Desert is situated in Punjab. This included the areas of Mianwali, Sargodha, Muzaffargarh and Dera Ismail Khan. The days in the region is very hot but have pleasant nights. Cholistan Desert. The south border area of Bahawalpur division is known as Cholistan. Due to shortage of rain, these areas have become barren lands. The soil is fertile enough, but due to scarcity of water, cultivation is not possible. Nara and Tharparkar Desert. The areas of Mirpur Khas and Sangar district are called Thar Desert. The minimum and maximum temperature range varies from 20 degree to 50 degree centigrade. The hottest months are from May to July. The lowest temperature is recorded in the month of January. इसके बाद आ जाते हैं, आपका यहाँ पर थर्ड क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट है. उसके बाद फोर्थ है एक्सप्लेन द टर्म इंटरडिपेंडेंस. इसके लिए आप लोग यहीं पे आ जाएं, पेज नंबर है 25. यहाँ से इंटरडिपेंडेंस लिखेंगे. इंटरडिपेंडेंस इज द डिपेंडेंस ऑफ 2 or more people of things upon each other. Independence implies that no member of a relationship can function or survive without the other. In an interdependence relationship, all participants are emotionally, economically, and morally independent, while at the same time responsible for each other. आप लोग को पता है हमने इंटरडिपेंडेंस में 2 टर्म्स और भी पढ़ी थी, वो आप लोग को यहाँ से मैं लिखवा देती हूँ. Secondly, international interdependence means mutual dependence at an international level. Countries depend on each other for certain commodities. The import and export of various goods and services greatly contribute to international interdependence. Commodities like oil have formed a global interdependence among countries that produce these commodities and those that need them. CPEC is the most example of international interdependence. उसके बाद है national interdependence. Is the mutual interdependence at national level or at the level of provinces and cities. The 4 provinces of Pakistan depend upon one another for food items, raw materials, minerals and other tools and instruments as well. यहाँ तक आपका 4 क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट है.